Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add drop down menu button on Wix website. The first thing you want to do once in your Wix dashboard, you are going to tap on edit site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here all you'll need to do is tap on add elements, the plus in the top left hand corner. And after tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner, you are going to select menu and anchor. And after selecting menu and anchor, what I want you to do now is select vertical menus. As you can see right there, there are different options you can choose from. And you can simply tap on the one that you would like to use, or you can tap and drag it if you would like to add it to a particular page. As you can see right here. Then from here you'll be able to edit the menu option, so you can simply tap on manage menu. Then after selecting manage menu, you could select right here how you would like it to look. You can also tap on settings right here to do more editing, and you can tap on navigate, which is right here. And you can see how it looks right there, and that's it. Again, let me tap on settings,